Part 4. Rain Shelter. College Campus. Clouds turn dark. Suddenly, heavy rain starts. Students rush to find cover. Anna runs to a small shelter near the gate. She shakes her book, worried it's wet. A moment later, Tom runs in too, holding his bag over his head. Now both stand under the same roof. Anna, quietly to herself. Oh no, my book is wet. Tom takes a tissue from his pocket and hands it to her. Tom, smiling. Here, use this. It'll help. Anna, a little shy, taking it. Thank you. They stand silently for a moment, listening to the rain. Tom, glancing at her book. You really like reading, don't you? Anna, smiling nervously. Yes, books are my best friends. Tom, grinning. Good choice. Books don't give homework. Anna laughs softly. The rain starts to slow. Anna, closing her book carefully. Looks like it stopped. Tom. Yeah, see you around. Anna, softly, as he leaves. See you. Two strangers, one roof, and a little rain. Sometimes love begins in the quietest moments.